Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend. Let's introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Kafindani from Math Education, Kuningan University. Here I will review the journal entitled Engaging Prospective Engineer in Math Education Through Robotic and Knowledge Building. Introduction. A review of the literature shows that robotics promotes development of problem-solving skill, creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration and teamwork skill, along with better understanding of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM. Some studies demonstrate that robotic competition provide engaging context for learning STEM. One potential solution for this challenge and concern is to teach robotic employing collaborative approaches. Therefore, some research employ a collaborative approach in which students form small groups to collaboratively accomplish robotic projects. Although small-scale collaboration has the potential to mitigate the negative effect of robotic competition, it has its drawback as well. Next, abstract. STEM or science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Robotics, with its multidisciplinary nature, integrates STEM disciplines and is considered a gateway to STEM education. When integrating robotics into teaching activities, most educators employ competition-based learning or CBL approach. Competition-based learning or CBL. CBL might diminish robotic potential because competition may distort active construction of knowledge and the development of talent by isolating students. This study aims to use robotics to teach math concepts to students in order to address the concern regarding competition. I employ knowledge building, pedagogy, and technology and explore which approach is more effective for learning, knowledge building, or competition-based learning. The preliminary results show that employing knowledge building result in a better outcome in terms of learning math concept. Next page, theoretical framework. First, Skardamalian and Beriter in present 12 principles that altogether describe knowledge building as a principle-based pedagogy and that are set forth to make knowledge creation more accessible to teacher and student. The second, in essence, is in knowledge building. Knowledge is built as a social product with students taking collective responsibility for the state of public knowledge and continual idea improvement. And last, therefore, beyond ideas held privately by individuals, they should be made available to the community as publicly accessible artifacts that can be discussed, interconnected, revised, and superseded. In fact, individual interests and expertise are complemented by those of the community as each individual tries to achieve both individual and community goals. Next, methodology and method. The study explores knowledge work within mature and novice knowledge building classes in two different classes. One class with mature knowledge building teacher and class. The other with both teacher and student now to knowledge building. In the first class, first, The pedagogy of teaching and learning robotics was knowledge building. The second, students use knowledge forum to share their ideas, ask questions, and discuss about their program with all other students in the community. In the second class, the pedagogy of teaching and learning was competition-based learning, or CBL. And last, students use knowledge forum to discuss their ideas as problem only with their group members, not with all the students. I employ lexical analyst and discourse analyst in order to analyze student notes posts on knowledge forum and examine how student knowledge and ideas improve in these two different settings. Using a lexical analyst, I export the word student use in their discourse and compare them with their curriculum math terms. Next page, preliminary result. So far, the first analysis has been done. The preliminary result of the study show that students in the first class use more math terms compared to the other class. In a week, when the students were designing a robot to deliver food and medicine to refugees in refugee camp. Look this page number 1. Math terms used by the student in the first class. The first class, students talk more about advanced concept compared to the other class. Students in the first class more frequently use words like conversion, convert, and proportion. This result show that students in the knowledge building class where a united community has formed discuss advanced math concept more than the other class. And look at picture number 2. Math terms used by the student in the second class. Seen in the picture beside the second class, the students are still below the first class. This indicates that there should be an improvement over the shortcoming of the second class, starting from improving the level of awareness of students for the better. For the next step, I'm planning to conduct the discourse analysis of first student notes and examine whether the discourse is really moving toward the knowledge objectives, which is idea improvement and knowledge advancement. In the last significance of the study. Although few students may grow up to be robotic, all students in modern society will have their lives affected by robotic. Learning about it is important, as is acquiring hands-on experience within. While education, robotic often goes on a competition way, which usually creates a dichotomy in which talent study are the winners at the expense of less talent student. This is the first study which employ knowledge building to create a united community to teach robotics. And the last, that is why this research, which treats robotics within the context of collaborative knowledge building community, offer both a wider perspective and a deeper approach to this 21st century phenomenon. Thanks for your attention. More and less apologies. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.